Working remotely might seem to be challenging, but Bentley has your back, as you can check in our subscription services portal. In this video, we will show you how all Bentley users of Select subscription can work and collaborate remotely, even without connected data environment as ProjectWise. Every connected user working with OpenBuildings Connect Edition and all Bentley connected applications covered by Select subscription can be granted by company administrator a right to set up a new project. If you are at your portal and you go to Projects, you can see how to register a project using ProjectWise services. You can register a project from there or from your home page. My colleague Karsten is hitting plus button and registering a new project. Next step is adding team members and assigning roles, which can be predefined in the project settings. Karsten is a project manager. He gave me a role of contributor. In Share Service, a new folder will be used for our mutual collaboration. To enable this, the folder has to be set for synchronization. How does it work? You will see a ProjectWise share in your Windows Explorer, and within it, all projects where you are a team member. So go to Connection Client, Preferences, Share. Make sure that Enable Share Sync is on and hit Sync now. A new folder will appear in ProjectWise share location. In OpenBuildings, we want to be consistent with standards we use. We might want to move an existing project to cloud location. We will create a new workspace and indicate path to our ProjectWise share folder. This workspace will use this location as a root folder for WorkSet and standards. Let's say we have our company template. In this case, let's use Building Template UK. We want to use it in this particular project as a template for our new WorkSet. So we are copying it to WorkSets folder in our workspace, which we created in ProjectWise share. It is not visible yet. We need to restart OpenBuildings and to navigate to Shared Workspace, where the copied template is already visible, and we can create a new workset based on it. Now we are associating it with the specific project in ProjectWise share. If we had copied existing project to that location, it would be visible and we could start working on it now. Karsten has created a structural designing file. He has set up grids, created columns, slabs and foundations. Grid and floor system belong to WorkSet, which configuration files are located on ProjectWise share. This workflow makes sure that we are consistent with each other. After Karsten has created and finished working on his file, he is synchronizing the project in Connection Client. I want to use this file as my reference. I have received an email notifying me that Karsten has added me to the project. I can get there through Connect Center or view project directly from email. I need also to set the folder for our collaboration for synchronization and repeat the same steps as Karsten to synchronize it and make it visible in Windows Explorer. Now I am adding also a new workspace in OpenBuildings with the same name as Karsten. I am indicating a path for root folder, which is our folder on ProjectWise share. I can see already that we have subfolders there. I need only to restart OpenBuildings and make sure that project is synchronized. Now I can see in shared workspace a WorkSet which Karsten has created. It is already associated with a project in project-wise share, as Karsten has done it before. I can start my work now. I am opening the structural design from Karsten. I have the same floor system and the same grid as he. This belongs to WorkSet. I will use this file in mine as a reference. I can attach it in the same manner as usually. I will make my design using the same floor system and the same grid system. I am able to modify it and to remove, for example, one axe. I can add my reference plane for architectural elevation and create non-structural walls around the building. After I am ready with my design, I am synchronizing project and letting Karsten know that he can progress with his work. Let's summarize steps of first user. Create the connected project and assign members and roles. Create a folder in project-wise share and set for synchronization. Enable share sync in connection client. Create a workspace and choose project-wise share folder as a root folder. Restart OBD. Optional, copy template WorkSet to project-wise share folder. Create a WorkSet in a new shared workspace. Link the WorkSet to the connected project. Create your design. After work is done, sync project-wise share with connection client and notify other members they can start their work. Second user steps look as follows. Go to the connected project. Set the folder in project-wise share for synchronization. Enable share sync in connection client. Create a workspace and choose project-wise share folder as a root folder. Restart OBD. Open the WorkSet from a shared workspace. Progress with your design. You can attach references and create your own files. It is possible to work in the same WorkSet at the same time, but the file creator is its owner, and only the owner can delete elements. After the work is done, sync project-wise share with connection client and notify other members they can start their work. It's quite easy, so don't wait and use advantages of your Select subscription to start collaboration at your OpenBuildings project using project-wise services even today.